Are you interested in learning jazz piano? Let's start with a basic 2-5-1 progression. I'm Alex, a piano instructor at Hoffman Academy. Today I'm going to show you how to play a simple 2-5-1 in the key of C major. The chords in this progression are D minor 7 for the 2 chord, G dominant 7 for the 5 chord, and C major 7 for the 1 chord. To get that unique jazzy sound, we're going to play these chords a bit differently than how it's usually done in classical or pop styles. We'll start with the left hand, which will play just the root note of each chord. I like to play these fairly low in the piano register in order to mimic the sound of a string bass, like this. Finger 1 on D, then finger 5 on G, and then finger 2 to C. Our right hand is going to stay close to middle C and will play only the 3rd and 7th of each chord. For D minor, the 3rd is F and the 7th is C. We're going to play C with our 2 finger and F with our 5 finger. Together with the left hand, it sounds like this. For the 5 chord, G dominant 7, the 3rd is B and the 7th is F. And we can reuse this F that we did for the 2 chord, and we just move the C down 1 note to B, like this. Once you feel comfortable with that shape, practice moving from the 2 chord to the 5 chord. For the 1 chord, C major 7, the 3rd is E, and the 7th is B. And just like with the last chord, we have a note that we can reuse, B. So you just have to move that F down 1 note to E using finger 4, like this. Once you feel comfortable with that shape, practice moving from the 5 chord to the 1 chord. And then you can try moving through the whole progression, 2-5-1, and repeat. I recommend starting with slow, long tones so that you feel really comfortable knowing where to go, like this. When you put it all together, it sounds like this. There you go. A quick, easy way to play through a jazzy 2-5-1 in the key of C. Happy practicing. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so we know that you want to see more topics like this. We've got a whole team of music teachers answering questions and bringing you awesome lessons and tutorials each week. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video. And if you're looking for a complete piano education, click the link to visit hoffmanacademy.com. See you next time.